everyone. Alright, so today I'm starting off this video barefaced and busted because it's going to be a little different. I watched this other YouTuber, her name is RAWBEAUTYKRISTI, and she just put up a makeup look that she did for New Year's Eve / her birthday, because her birthday is also on New Year's Eve, and I just thought it looked amazing. I saw it when she put it up first on Instagram, and just recently, well, just yesterday, she put up the actual video for it, and I'm gonna open it up and show you what it looks like here. So hopefully you can see that.
Today I wanted to film a video.
So I'm gonna try and recreate the look here at home. Now I can tell you that I do not have half of the products that she has. I don't even think I have a quarter of the products of what she's using, but I really love the look. I really want to try to recreate it on my own. I'm going to leave her video linked down below for anybody who wants to see what she created. Now, she's a makeup artist. I most certainly am not a makeup artist, so I'm going to try my best to follow her tutorial and try to recreate it here now. I've already cleansed my face, moisturized, and I did put a eye primer and then just set it with a translucent powder, so that way I can just jump straight into the makeup. I am going to do my best, so wish me luck, and yeah, let's hope that I can actually accomplish this and make it happen. Now, for the record, I have not practiced this look at all. I have watched the video about 6 times just so I could go through my makeup and try to find colors that I thought would match the closest to what she's using, but otherwise that's all I've done. I haven't pre-practiced this look. I haven't done anything at all, so the first attempt at me recreating this look is definitely going to be live
For
here.
you, as a request, it's down here. Sort of mash them all together and then run it.
Okay, so she's using about 4 different colors for the very first step in the eyes. And actually, the brush that she's using is the number 5 brush from the BH Cosmetics Rose Gold set, which I actually do have that. The colors that she used, it looked like she used Pukey from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and then about 3 other brown colors. So I'm sorry, I should at least show you this. I'm going to use the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. Am I holding this high enough? Just to be sure. And I'm going to try to use as many colors from here as I can to match the Jaclyn Hill palette. Now, I'm going to go on with this one here, which I think is the closest to Pukey, which is the color she used for anyone who's confused. And then she used about 3 other brown shades. So I'm going to go into maybe these 3 right here. So these are, what's this? It's called Stroke, this one is called Cut Crease, and this one is called Mass. So I'm going to mix this one here, which is called Transitional, with those 3, and let's see how it goes. This should be interesting.
Incredibly blended on your eyelids or anything. It's all going to be covered up with concealer. Wing it out on the outside. Not sort of. Definitely wing it out.
Now, for anyone who's curious, all she said for the first step was to mix all those colors that she chose and get them on her eye and just start buffing it into the crease. And the only other step she's given so far is to wing it out at the corner, the outer corner. Now, if you want to know how I chose to mix the colors, all I do is I'm tapping twice into all the colors I've chosen to use, and then I'm just going ahead and getting it on my eye. How scary is this? I can't tell if I'm actually doing any good or not, or just making myself look like a raccoon. Oh well. Let's push on. What's next?
Concealer. I honestly used to hate doing cut creases when I didn't know about the concealer technique. Like, look how horrifying this looks. Yet it's gonna look so
I'm
bomb.
horrified.
I'm gonna take that deepest brown shade on the bottom, the shade Central Park, and I'm going to pack that on the outer and inner portions of the eye.
Okie dokies, artichoke.
We'll do more of this.
Okay. Those are pretty close. We'll go for expression since it seems to be the closest. And now it's to focus this on the outer corner of the eye. And then after that, take it into the inner corner. Okay. Alright, this is just looking so scary right now. But now it's cut crease time. Which, yeah. I am totally not good at all. I have tried before. I pretty much have failed miserably before, but you know, let's give it a shot. Okay, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Age Rewind Instant Age Rewind Eraser. Oh, let's hope for the best here. Okay. Instructions are to, let's hope I'm not covering myself here, look straight ahead. Let your eyes crease naturally. So that way when you look up or you open them, you know exactly where to cut the crease. And I'm going to try not to block myself doing this. Ugh. Okay, first mark is made. Let's go in now. I'm not sure exactly how wide across I should go. Okay, now the instructions are to pat that out with the finger. Blocking hopefully, and try to blend those edges out. Okay, and then pick up the second brush we used for that darker color, kind of sweep it in to blend those edges ever so slightly so it doesn't look crazy, hopefully. Okay, so let's go on to the other eye and see if we can make it happen. No, this is a pain because I have to try to make this even. Okay, turn to the side, trying to block what I'm doing here. Look straight ahead, open the eye, crease naturally, and go. See, and it sucks because I've mentioned this before in one of my other videos, but this eye has way more lid space than the other. So trying to make these suckers even is going to be a pain. Alright, let's go. Stop being excuses. Let's go. So now we need to cover the concealer that's on the eyes. Woo! I'm going to be using this color from the Naked 2 palette called Half Baked. So let's just get some of that on the fingertip here and go right in. So now, unfortunately, one step that she did do that I don't have anything at all that I can possibly replicate with is she did a glitter liner across the very top of where the cut crease is, and she took it down into the inner corner. Now, she did go on to say that you can still complete the look without that step. I thought that was one of the, like, my most favorite parts of the eye look, but unfortunately I don't have anything here that I can try to replicate it with. So I'm going to skip that step, and then I'm going to go on to the next step, which is doing a very thick elongated wing liner. Now, wing liners are tough enough as it is, especially trying to get a nice, straight, beautiful, long one. So yeah. Wish me luck on that one. Oh, and I'm going to be using my NYC liquid liner in black. It's been discontinued, so use whichever, if you're following along with me, following along with Christy, use whatever liner you have. Okay, so I don't even want to admit how long it took me to do these wings off camera. But if that is not the biggest fail of all time, they're not a match. They're like, so you know how some people are like, oh, but they're sisters, not twins. Well, these are like distant cousins, maybe friends. They're not even friends. They just had a falling out and never made up. This is just this is so bad. Wow. Okay, whatever. We're gonna power through this. Right. Next step, I believe, was the get some eyeliner and start eyelining them eyes.
Black, and I lined my upper and lower waterline. Now I'm going to throw on a coat of mascara and my lashes. I'm not going to do that one.
Yes. Okay. So black eyeliner. What do we have here? Scandalized by Rimmel. In just black. Yes. Yes. 001 in black. So let's get to eyelining. And let's do some tight lining. Alright, so she is going to apply mascara, and then she's going to finish the rest of her face. Since this for me was all about the eyes, I'm going to do mascara, add my lashes, and finish my face off camera, and then come back and show the complete full faced finished thing. I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. And this is the finished look. So I don't know. How do we think the end result is? I was laughing at myself a lot before. Uh and now I'm kind of undecided. I can't decide if I just failed majorly, or I don't know if I did okay. Um I'm gonna say I did okay. Definitely could have been better. Um Definitely could have brought down the cut crease a lot. I think I was just trying to follow more what she did. And rule number one is, even if you're trying to recreate something, make sure you uh, what is the word I'm looking for? Make sure you are mindful of your own eye shape, and don't just exactly copy what you see, because then you're gonna, go overboard. um, yeah, I'm not hating it. I'm not hating it. Um, I'm not hating it. I'm not mad at it at all. But there it is. I mean, I'm open to uh, I'm open to critiques, and I'm open to all uh, all reactions or anything like that. Yeah. Sorry if I keep looking around everywhere. I have mirrors in every direction so I can kind of see uh what's going on here. But okay, that's the end of that. If you've made it this far, thank you for staying with me. Thank you for watching this whole moment of torture. Thank you for watching me kind of bungle my way through this. It was fun though. I'm definitely gonna find more looks that I like, and I'm definitely gonna try this on camera again. I did have a lot of fun doing it. It did push me to kind of challenge myself. Again, I'm following a makeup artist. I'm definitely not a makeup artist, so I did my best. And again, it was just an interesting experience, and shows me things that I really do need to practice on. So that's important. But yeah, if you had fun watching this, and if you were entertained, please subscribe if you haven't already. If you do subscribe, please hit the notification bell so that you will be notified any and every time I upload. If you have any suggestions or comments or anything, please leave those down below. And for now, it's good night or good morning wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.